Good morning, beta. Let's continue with the revision of chapter number 11, mensuration. We were doing exercise 11.3. We have done first 4 questions. Now question number 5 is, yes, anyone who can read? Yes. Taranya, Arish, Akul.
Ma'am, yes.
Yes, Akul, read 5th question.
Ma'am, 5th question ना.
Yes.
मैम आपकी आवाज कट कट के आ रही है.
Is it okay now?
Ma'am, yes.
Okay. Read out fifth question.
Daniel is painting the walls and ceiling of a cuboidal hall with length, breadth, and height of 15 meter, 10 meter, and 7 meter respectively. From each can of paint, 100 meter square of area is painted. How many cans of paint will she need to paint the room?
Yes, Daniel is painting the walls, 4 walls. Wall means curved surface area plus ceiling. Ceiling is L into B. Is painting the walls and the ceiling of the cuboidal hall whose length, breadth and height are given. So from each cane of paint, 100 meter square of area is painted. So you have to tell me how many canes are required to paint 4 walls and ceiling of such diameter. So what you will do, you will find the area of 4 walls plus area of the ceiling, and that area will be divided by this area that is painted from one container. So that will give you the number of containers. So you will get the area to be painted, what you will calculate in this curved surface. This is your area of 4 walls plus area of ceiling. Ceiling means L into B. Ceiling means L into B. Length is 15, breadth is 10, and height is 7. L into B, 15 into 10. That is 25 into 7 plus 150. This is 50 into 7 plus 150. 350 plus 150, that is 500 meters square. So this is the area that is to be painted. Now what you will do, you will divide this area. Actually, from the one cane, this much area can be painted. So you have to tell me how much canes are required to paint 500 meters square. So number of canes is equal to 500 upon 100, that is 5. So 5 canes are required to paint 500 meters square area. Okay. Now, who will explain the next question? Yes, Kavish, read out.
Ma'am, 6th.
Yes. Yes, anyone having any doubt in this question number 5? Whenever you have to find the number of things, you will divide the larger with the smaller. अगर पेंट हो रहा है तो एरिया आएगा. अगर कोई चीज आप किसी चीज के अंदर रख रहे हो, जैसे रूम के अंदर आप मैच बॉक्स रख रहे हो, कोई कार्टन्स रख रहे हो, तो आप वॉल्यूम को डिवाइड करोगे. और अगर साइड की बात कर रहे हैं सिर्फ सरफेस की, तो एरिया को डिवाइड करोगे. ऑलवेज यू विल फॉलो दिस स्टेप. यस काविश.
Ma'am, 6th question. Describe how the two figures at the right are alike and how they are different. Which box has larger lateral surface area?
Yes. How you will solve this?
हम दोनों का lateral surface area निकालेंगे.
हाँ जी,
और डिफरेंस बताएंगे, जैसे डिफरेंस है शेप अलग है और अलाइक इसका ये है कि इनकी हाइट सेम है।
हाइट सेम है, यस, बेस भी सेम है, हाइट भी सेम है। चलो हाइट लिख सकते हो, as their height is 7 centimeter each, so they are alike in this manner, and they are different because one is cylinder and other is cube whose length, breadth and height are each 7 centimeter. And you have to compare the lateral surface area. So what you will do, you will calculate the lateral surface area of cylinder and lateral surface area of cube, and that will help you to decide which one is having larger lateral surface area. Hurry up, calculate the lateral surface area of cylinder as well as cube. Yes, Abhishek, Ansh, Arshpreet, what is the lateral surface area of cylinder? What is the lateral surface area of cylinder? Yes, anyone? Yes, Diya? Yes, Arshpreet, bolo.
Ma'am, lateral surface area of the cylinder is, ma'am, firstly the formula is 2 pi rx, that is 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7, and that is
Okay, calculate the answer. Next. Yes, Jan.
ma'am, that is ma'am, 154
Okay,
ma'am,
1.
154 centimeter square, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Janvi, what is the lateral surface area of cube?
Hence the cube is larger, has the larger lateral.
Yes, repeat. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, lateral surface area of cube is 196 centimeter.
I am asking about the formula, bache.
Ma'am, formula 4a square.
Yes, 4a square and the side is 7. So you will use 4 into 7 into 7. That is what you are getting? 196. So for the one,
Ma'am, yes, 4 into
for the
40.
first box, you are having lateral surface area as 154 and for the next one, it is 196. So cube has larger lateral surface area. Is it okay? Is it okay? Now start the next one. Yes, Janvi, read out the question.
A closed cylindrical tank of radius 7 meter and height 3 meter is made from a sheet of metal. How much sheet of metal is required?
What you will do in this? Radius and height.
Ma'am, इसमें हम total surface area
Yes, yes.
total surface area निकालेंगे cylinder का, because closed tank है, so फिर हम total surface area उसका निकालेंगे by the formula 2 pi r bracket h height plus radius.
Very good, very good. Yes, everyone calculate this. Find the total surface area of this cylinder whose radius and height is given. Again, today we are having very less attendance.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 440 m square answer आ रहा है.
Okay, 440 meter square sheet is required to make the closed cylindrical tank. Formula we have used here is 2 pi r. In the bracket we have h plus r. Got it? Yes, next. Yes, Shabad, Taranya, Arish, Abhishek. Yes, read out next question.
Yes, ma'am. The lateral surface area of a hollow cylinder is 4 centimeter square. It is cut along its height and formed a rectangular sheet of width 33 centimeter. Find the perimeter of rectangular sheet.
Yes, listen how you will do this. Actually, we are having one rectangle Kavish, can you explain? Kavish?
Ma'am, yes.
Yes. बोलो.
मैम इसमें हम एरिया ऑफ जो हमारा एरिया ऑफ सिलेंडर है वो एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर शीट हो जाएगा.
This one?
एरिया ऑफ सिलेंडर इज इक्वल्स टू एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर शीट.
Yes.
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं क्लियर.
Why it is so? Why? Wait. Is it okay?
मैम
एक्चुअली तो ये जो एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल है, अगर आप इसको यहाँ से हाइट से कट कर दो एंड इफ यू विल ओपन इट विल बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर whose breadth is given and you have to find the length. You have to find the length of this sheet. When you fold this, it will be forming one cylinder. So its lateral surface area is given to you. That will be equal to the area of rectangular sheet. That is equal to ये rectangular sheet का area आ गया ना, ठीक है, length into breadth. अब देखो आपके पास फाइंड करनी है, आपने ब्रेड्थ कितनी गिवन है 30 की. प्लीज डिवाइड इट. इसको डिवाइड करके क्या आएगा?
राइट करके मैम 128 इसका आंसर आएगा.
नाउ हैव यू नोटिस वन थिंग, ये जो आपके पास लेंथ आ रही है, ये जो लेंथ है, ये जो आप इस एक मिनट मैं आपको पेपर से शो करती हूँ. लेट मी ब्रिंग वन पेपर. सी दिस वाज आवर सिलेंडर. ये सिलेंडर है, ये इसकी हाइट है, ये इसकी हाइट है. आपने हाइट से इसको कट कर दिया, तो जो इसकी ये लेंथ है, that will be the what will be that length is equal to curved surface area, means circumference of this base. That length will become the circumference of the base, that is 2 pi r. तो ये किसके इक्वल है? 2 pi r के लिए. ठीक है. Now solve this. This is equal to 2.7. This will give you radius. Now solve this and get the value of radius from here. What you are getting as radius? Kavish, am I audible?
मैम आपकी आवाज कट कट के आ रही है मुझे.
एक मिनट जरा. Check it now.
मैम यस ठीक है.
Now I have cancelled it. Now 7 2s are 14, 21, 23 by 11. डेसिमल में आ रहा है रेडियस. डेसिमल में आ रहा है रेडियस. काविश, एक्चुअली आपको यहाँ पे फाइंड करना है पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगुलर शीट ट्वाइस ऑफ. अच्छा ये मत करो, इसके बिना ही हो जाएगा. ठीक है, इसको रहने दो. ये आ गया लेंथ. आपने फाइंड करना है पेरीमीटर. पेरीमीटर क्या आ गया? ट्वाइस ऑफ लेंथ प्लस ब्रेड्थ. लेंथ कितनी है? 128. ब्रेड्थ कितनी है? 33. एड देम.
Sir is 322.
Okay, so this is 322 centimeter or meter, whatsoever is given. Clear? So from here we have used the lateral surface area that will be equal to the area of rectangular sheet. So when you divide it with 33, you will be getting length as 120. Now we need to find the perimeter of the sheet, and perimeter of the sheet is twice of length plus breadth. Length I have written as 128, breadth is already given. Add them and get the answer, that is 322. Okay. Yes, Anjani. Yes, Anjani, बोलो बेटा.
Yes, ma'am. Ninth question.
Yes, read it out.
A road roller takes 750 complete revolutions to move once over to level a road. Find the area of the road if the diameter of a road roller is 84 centimeter and length is 1 meter.
Yes, one road roller is there. Have you seen road roller? It is in the form of cylinder, and whose length
Yes.
and radius are given. Diameter is given. Diameter is 84. If diameter is 84, what will be the radius? Yes, what will be the radius? 42.
Ma'am, 84 over 2.
Yes. Length means height.
Yes, ma'am. 42.
Means height, that is 1 meter. It is in meter, so you can convert it in centimeter, that is 100 centimeter. So this length means height is given, radius is given. Now we are using the road roller. Road roller is in the form of cylinder. जो आप इसको ऐसे रोल करते हो, कहते हैं इसने 750 राउंड लिए हैं, रेवोल्यूशन लिए हैं to level this ground. ठीक है? तो what you will do is you will find the, जब ये एक बार रोल होता है, it will be covering, it will be moving and making the distance that is equal to the curved surface area of the cylinder. So you will find the curved surface area of cylinder, that is 2 pi r h. Radius is 42, height is 100. We cancel out 6, 44 into 600. ये आ गया आपका curved surface area. Now ये curved surface area है. This is the area covered by the road roller in one round, and the road roller has taken 750 rounds. So how much distance will have covered? So you will multiply it with this.
Ma'am, 2640 400, ma'am, into हो जाएगा.
I've written that is the area covered by road roller in one round.
Ma'am, 198 के साथ 5 बार 0.
Repeat.
मैम 198 उसके साथ 5 zeros. मैम फिर आता है हमारा सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर.
This is your centimeter square. Now you can convert it into meter by dividing it with the next step.
मैम 10,000 के साथ इसकी कैंसिलेशन.
Actually in 1 meter we have 100 centimeter, so we are having centimeter square. So you will divide it with 100 and 100.
1980 meter square.
980 मैम सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर.
The area
मीटर स्क्वायर मैम. मीटर स्क्वायर.
of the road covered by the road roller to level the road in 750 revolutions. Is it okay? Any doubt?
नो मैम.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Harman, read the next question. And Sanvi will tell.
Yes, ma'am. A company packages its milk powder in cylindrical container whose base has a diameter of 14 centimeter and height 20 centimeter. Company places a label around the surface of container as shown in the figure. If the label is placed 2 centimeter from top and bottom, what is the area of label?
Container is there. Yes, Sanvi, can you tell the solution? How you will start this? Sanvi. Anyone else who want to give? Yes, Sanvi, wait.
मैम पहले रेडियस इज इक्वल टू 14 over 2 7 मीटर.
यस मैम, पहले तो मैम डायमीटर है 14, तो मैम रेडियस आ जाएगा 14/2 which is 7.
Yes.
Ma'am, height 20 centimeter.
Yes.
और मैम उसके बाद एरिया ऑफ लेबल निकालेंगे, तो मैम क्योंकि लेबल भी सिलेंडर में है तो मैम उसका आ जाएगा कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया ऑफ लेबल that will be equal.
Tell me the height of the label.
Yes ma'am, 20 centimeter.
मैम नहीं 16 सेंटीमीटर है.
मैम sorry 16
Actually, label.
because मैम वो ऊपर से भी 2 छोड़ा नीचे से भी -4 कर देंगे.
Okay, very good.
Yes ma'am.
2 centimeter from the top, 2 from the bottom. So height of label
Yes ma'am.
20 minus 2 minus 2, that is 16. So height of the label is 16.
16.
Now you have to find the curved surface area.
So मैम उसके बाद इसका कर्व्ड सरफेस एरिया
Formula Sanvi.
yes ma'am 2 pi r into h.
Yes. 22 by 7. Radius is 7. Height is 16. Answer.
1 minute.
704 centimeters
Yes
square.
ma'am,
704 centimeter square.
704 centimeter square. Okay. Clear? Now with this we have finished this exercise. Write down next question. Find the height of the cuboid. Write down. Find the height of the cuboid whose volume is 275. Find the height of cuboid whose volume is 275 centimeter cube and base area is 25 centimeter square. And base area is 25 centimeter square. Volume is 275 centimeter cube. And base area is 25 centimeter square. Find the height. Yes, apply the formula of volume. Area of base means LB. Area of base means LB. Volume means LBH. So you can put the value of LB in the volume formula and that will give you the height. Okay. And one more way is there. If you divide volume by area, you can write it like this. Is it okay? Volume by area. Formula of volume is LBH. Area is LB. If you divide it, what will be getting? You are getting 11. So height is 11. This is the another way to solve. Otherwise, you can put the value directly. That will be okay. Let's do example number 9 and 10 given on page number 190. Yes, everyone, read it out and then tell me the answer. Hurry up. Example 9 and 10. Anjani, Kavish.
Yes.
Anjani, can you explain example number 9?
Yes.
Kavish, wait. You will explain the next example. Yes, Anjani, example number 9.
Yes, ma'am. First of all, we will write the volume of one box, which is 0.8.
Read out the question first.
Okay, ma'am. In the form of a cuboid of measure 60 meter into 40 meter into 30 meter, how many cuboidal boxes can be stored in it if the volume of each box is 0.8 meter cube?
Okay. A godown is given whose length, breadth and height is given. Means it is in the form of cuboid and you have to put cuboidal boxes whose volume is given. Volume of one box is given. What you will do, Anjani?
Ma'am, we will divide the volume of godown over volume of one box.
Yes, that will give you
90,000.
that will give you the number of boxes that can be stored in the godown. Okay, actually मैंने आपको अभी बताया था whenever you are finding the number of things, अगर आप outer surface की बात कर रहे हो, you will divide the area, and if you are talking about the capacity of the room, that means you are talking about the volume. So in that case, you will divide their volumes. Okay, so in this you will divide the volume of godown LBH by volume of the one cuboidal box, that is 0.8, and after cancellation you will be getting 90,000 boxes.
90,000.
Kavish, explain next question and read it first.
Yes. A triangular paper of width 14 centimeter is rolled along with its width and a cylinder of radius 20 centimeter is formed. Find the volume of the cylinder.
देखो इधर आपको ये जो है ना, इसकी width given है 14, width मतलब height, कहता है इसी height के along ना इसको ऐसे करके रोल करके सिलेंडर बना दिया, सिलेंडर फॉर्म कर दिया, ठीक है। तो इसकी हाइट कितनी है, जितनी जो width थी that will be the height of cylinder, and radius is equal to, radius जो है that will be equal to the 20 that is given. इसकी radius कितना है 20, that is already given in the question. Radius of the cylinder is given, height is given. Yes, Kavish, you have to find the volume.
Ma'am, yes. volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. तो इसका होगा 22/7 into 20⁻2 into 14. तो मैम 7 और 14 की कटिंग हो जाएगी, उसे मल्टीप्लाई करके हमारा आंसर आ जाएगा 17,600 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब.
But your radius and height is given, and you all are able to find the volume. So just the main thing was that the width of the sheet will be taken as the height of the cylinder, and radius is already given. Okay, this main thing was the height. Okay. Yes, Harman. Next question.
Ma'am, example 11.
Yes.
Ma'am, a rectangular piece of paper 11 centimeter into 4 centimeter is folded without overlapping to make a cylinder of height 4 centimeter. Find the volume of the cylinder. Ma'am, solution बताना.
हाँ जी, एक्चुअली एक रेक्टेंगुलर शीट ऑफ पेपर है, उसको बिना ओवरलैप किए सिलेंडर फॉर्म की है। ऐसे शीट थी कि इस कॉर्नर को इससे ज्वाइन कर लिया और एक सिलेंडर बन गया। अब ये जो इसकी विड्थ, इसकी लेंथ है, दैट विल बी कंसीडर्ड एज द पेरीमीटर। तो जो इसकी लेंथ है, दैट विल बी सेम एज द पेरीमीटर. पेरीमीटर मींस सर्कमफरेंस ऑफ द पीस. That will be equal to this. Okay, so you are having length is given as 11. This is 2 into 22/7 into r. From here you will get radius as 7/4. 11 into 7/2 into 22 is equal to radius. So you are getting radius as 7/4. And height will be, जो इसकी breadth थी ना 4, that will be the height. तो यहाँ पे height क्या आ जाएगी 4. Radius we have got as 7/4. Height is 4. So you will find the volume whatsoever you need to find. You have to find the volume, that is pi r square h. You can use this height and radius, and that will help you.
And that is 38.5 centimeter cube.
Okay. Okay. So that's it for today, and tomorrow we will start with exercise 11.4, and I have already forwarded you the syllabus of the test. Be prepared for the test. Okay, you should practice all the questions, revise the formulas, revise the example, read the introduction, read what we have discussed, that is given at the end of each chapter. That will help you to clarify the concepts of the chapter, and that will make the things more clear.
मैम
Yes.
मैम रिवीजन टेस्ट हमारा इस मंडे शुरू है.
पता नहीं बेटा, आ जाएगा, अभी नहीं पता, जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन होगी आई विल गिव
Okay,
यू,
ma'am.
ठीक है? That your class in charge
Okay.
will inform you side by side, but syllabus I have already given to you so that you can prepare it according to your time. Okay.